Good afternoon, friends. AngryRagtimer here. Welcome back to my backyard for part 5 of our construction update. Well, the time is here. I got a little bit more track. There's a lot more inside, but we're going to start laying the original track bed for our rail yard and our turnaround loop on this side. I have the track plans, which I'll put up on the screen, hopefully now if I remember to do that. But the plan is we're going to go ahead and lay everything out roughly. Tomorrow, we are getting 2 tons of number 10 dust, which is 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch fines, which will actually be our road bed. So the plan is to lay everything out today, and then tomorrow we'll actually dig out everything and lay the right of way and try to get some track permanently down. So be back soon. Alrighty, it's been roughly an hour to an hour and a half since the time of the last video. It has started snowing here, so I've stopped work for the day. You'll notice that the loop in the back is missing a piece of track, but that's because we have track down on roughly maybe a quarter, maybe a little less of what we got. But just to show you, I've got 15-foot radius curve here to kind of curve up. They'll start the grade uphill over there. That piece of track is kind of showing where that grade will also start in the beginning of the yard. There are a couple of gaps in the track right now, but that's because I have switches that I need to change the side that the throws are on. But it'll have a 3-track little yard over there. We'll get closer to it in a second, with a line dedicated for steam ups on one side. And then it curves underneath the deck and back out to here, where it will then continue up the rest of the layout. So to kind of give you an idea, under here is going to be where the roundhouse is, and the roundhouse wall is going to be just on the inside of the track right there. It'll then have about a 2 to 3 foot run out to the turntable, which will be more or less here, and then the track will run out to a switch over there, so that way it'll have a dedicated area for the electric locomotives to live when it's not being used. I'll also show off I've got a little mini roof now over the porch, so no water's getting in, and I got a little gutter that'll then spit out there. We continue around, had to use a couple of shorter pieces to do what we're doing. It hugs the wall for a bit. We have our first switch into the yard, and then the second switch there, and then it kind of goes for a 3-track little yard. I've got a lot of room over here, which obviously can be used for plants. I'm also thinking about like buildings and stuff could be fun to do. Even I just got off the phone with General, and he was talking about maybe we could have like a machine shop area, kind of all of the East Broad Top, but who knows. Again, we have our steam up track, which will be located near the outside, and that can be dedicated for those who are firing up a butane or coal engine or an alcohol engine. Probably will build the ash pit around here. And again, a little 3-track main line or yard that'll then eventually come together. Put the switch somewhere around here, a little bit of a straight area before then continuing on. This is going to be phase 1, so I'm going to try to build this all more or less to how it needs to be. We'll end up putting the eventual water tower here, and then probably put the coal tower and area over there with the sand house station kind of by the curve, and then who knows what'll go over there from there, but obviously then plants will fill in. But again, just showing you we've made progress. Tomorrow, the 2 tons of number 10, they call it dirt, but it's the 1/4 to 3/8 basically fines from gravel and limestone, which will then I'll have to use a pick to kind of dig this out. It's a little cold if you can't tell because it's snowing, but I'll try to start working on the roadbed tomorrow if it's warm enough. If not, may have to delay for a few days, but track is out, it's staying out, and we're making steady progress. So again, thank you to all of you who have been following this so far. If you're new, do consider liking the video and sharing it and subscribing, so that way you get more updates about the Garden Railroad. I'm gonna go back in. The snow is sticking to the tracks, and I don't have a snowplow. But more to come. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.